Up guys, in this video I will show you how to add songs to Spotify that are not on Spotify phone. Firstly, what you need to know is that when you go to your library on the third selection, and here as you can see there is no option for local files. That means that on your settings side this is not cited by turning on. What we'll need to do to get back to our home screen, and then we need to go on the settings bar on the right upper side, and I need now to scroll down and take a look for the site that is compatible for that section. In this site it is beside notification which says import show local audio files. This, as you can see, is turning off. We need to make sure that this is turned on. When I turn on and I get back, and now if I go to my library on the third selection, as you can see on the first side I have my local files. If I click on it, here you can find out all the songs that are not on Spotify. Now for example, if I go on the third one on the three dots, here I have the option to add it to a playlist. If I go on, for example, on this playlist, and I added there, as you can see this song which was not from Spotify has been added to that playlist. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.